Student, good evening. Now, student, there is one more question. It is based on type 2. Here, one matrix is given and three linear equations are given. Here, matrix is 1 minus 1, 1, 2, 1 minus 3, 1, 1, 1. And three equations are x plus 2y plus z equal to 4 minus x plus y plus z equal to 0, x minus 3y plus z equal to 2. Student, question is find A inverse and hence solve the system of linear equations. So let us find the inverse of this matrix. To find the inverse, first of all, we will find the C. C is matrix of cofactors. So let us find the cofactors. It is 1 plus 3 is 4. Then 2 plus 3, 5, sign change, minus 5. Then it is 2 minus 1 is 1. Then minus 1 is minus 2, sign change 2. Then 1 minus 1 is 0. Then 1 plus 1 is 2, sign change, minus 2. Then 3 minus 1 is 2. Then minus 3, minus 2, minus 5, sign change 5. Then 1 plus 2 is 3. It is matrix of cofactors. Student, now we will find C transpose. It is 4 minus 5, 1, 2, 0 minus 2, 2, 5, 3. Student, now we will find determinant of A. It is addition of corresponding element of A matrix and C matrix, first row. So it is 1 into 4 plus 5, 1 into minus 1 into minus 5 is plus 5, then 1 into 1 is 1. So it is 10. Now, A inverse is, so it becomes adjoint. So it is adjoint of A upon determinant of A, which is 1 upon 10 of 4, 2, 2, minus 5, 0, 5, 1, minus 2, 3. Student, now we will convert these equations into matrix form. So it is 1, 2, 1, minus 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 3, 1, equation x, y, z equal to 4, 0, 2. Okay. Let this is matrix B, it is X, it is C or D. We can suppose this as a D matrix. Now, the coefficient of A matrix, they are not. Now, the coefficient of this matrix is not matched with the element of A matrix. So, if we take the transpose of this matrix, then they are similar. So X equal to B inverse D, and B is A transpose of inverse of D, then it is A inverse of transpose and D. So we will take the transpose of A inverse matrix. So it is 1 upon 10. Take the transpose of this. It is 4, 2, 2, minus 5, 0, 5, 1, minus 2, 3. They are the elements 4, 0, 2. Let us multiply that. It is 1 upon 10, 16, minus 0, plus 2. Then it is 8, 0, minus 4. Then it is 8, plus 0, plus 6. 1 upon 10, 18, 4, 6, 14. It is 9 upon 5, 2 upon 5, and 7 upon 5. X equal to 9 upon 5, y equal to 2 upon 5, and z equal to 7 upon 5. These are the values of x, y, z. Student, now there is one more type of question, that is type 4. Here variables are given in upon, like 2 upon x plus 3 upon y plus 10 upon z equal to 4. And second equation, 4 upon x minus 6 upon y plus 5 upon z equal to 1. And 6 upon x plus 9 upon y minus 20 upon z equal to 2. Here x, y, z are non-zero terms. They cannot be 0. Student, here variables are given. So there are two logic. One logic is, we can suppose 1 upon x as a, let A, 1 upon y equal to b, and 1 upon z equal to c. Then we will convert the equation into the form 2a plus 3b plus 10c equal to 4. 4a minus 6b plus 5c equal to 1. 6a plus 9b minus 20c equal to 2. And then matrix form is, write the coefficient, it is 2, 3, 10, 4 minus 6, 5, 6, 9 minus 20. This side A, B, C, and right hand side matrix is 4, 1, 2. Another logic is, we can take this way also, like matrix 2, 3, 10, 4 minus 6, 5, 6, 9 minus 20. And we write, this is 1 upon x, 1 upon y, 1 upon z is equal to 4, 1, 2. Both are same thing. Here, when we get the answer or get the values of 1 upon x, 1 upon y, 1 upon z, we will take the reciprocal of these values. Then we will get the value of x, y, z. Here, we will get the values of a, b, c, then take the reciprocal, then we will get the value of x, y, z. So both are same thing, and same method we can take any option. So let us take this one. Let it is A, this matrix is X equal to B. Then X equal to A inverse B. Now we find the inverse of this matrix, matrix of coefficient.